Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID and Retool. To authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID and Retool, begin by logging into your Retool dashboard. Navigate to the Resources section located on the left sidebar. Click on the Create New button to add a new resource. Select Microsoft Entra ID from the list of available options. You will be prompted to enter your resource name. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of this resource. Next, input your tenant ID. This can be found in your Azure portal under Azure Active Directory. Next, you will need to provide the client ID. The client ID is also accessible in your Azure portal under the App Registration section. Now, input the client secret you generated in Azure. If you haven't created a client secret yet, go to Certificates and Secrets in your app registration to generate one. After entering the client secret, you must specify the scope for the permissions required. Typically, this should be set to Opened Profile for basic user authentication. Click on the Test button to verify that your configuration is correct. If the test is successful, click Save to finalize your resource setup. Next, go to the app where you want to implement the authentication. Open the Query section in the Retool App Editor. Under the Authentication settings, select the Microsoft Entra ID resource you just created. Now, you'll configure the default behavior for when users access the app. You can set the app to require users to log in every time they access it for added security. Once you've made your preference, save the changes. To see the authentication in action, open a new tab and access your Retool app. You should be redirected to the Microsoft Entra ID login page. After signing in with your Microsoft account, you will be redirected back to your Retool app. Now that you're logged in, your data will be accessible based on the permissions you've set. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Microsoft Entra ID and Retool. You can now create no-code dashboards leveraging this authentication method. Explore the features and functionalities of your dashboard to maximize its potential. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.